Hello guys, I'm just, oh yeah, so I changed my character. Let me just remove this. Yeah, I changed my character. See, so I'm gonna go to the nether again. So I'm gonna get to this. Wait, I think I'm missing some stuff. Okay, and I'm gonna bring this. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna get this, and then I'm gonna get this, the bows there. Okay, now I'm gonna go up and go there. I hope I don't die again. Okay, I'm doing crazy. Building terrain. Generating wow. Oh my gosh. Am I dying? Am I dying? Was there a zombie? Okay. Oh, I think I'm going around. Okay. Yeah, I was growing in the wrong place. I think I'm lagging. Okay.
7:56.
So this is where I died. Maybe? Okay.
Malaking GC light to. 8:59? Pero ganda ng kulay. Parang white. White ba to? Ay, blue pala.
Oh my gosh. Just went away. Where did it go? Did I kill it?
Ha? Kaya nga eh, no? Ibibigay kaya yun? Sabi by December, di ba?
Okay, so I'm just gonna see if I
Una kasi nila
get
ligo eh.
some stuff. I think, okay.
Feeling mo magkano?
Oh, okay, okay.
Sana ano? 2-3K.
Okay, so I think it's kind of good. I think I can use this or something. I'm just gonna only grab 6 ice Okay.
Tapos yan yung spaghetti na. Ang sarap tayo.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
So,
Trust me.
okay.
Ang tamis.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Ako eh. Masusubo mo lang, matikman mo na agad na.
Okay. So, it's so... Oh wait, I'm gonna go back. And I think I'm missing something. I'm missing blocks.
Grabe ka nang magbanak na.
Press it.
Bakit pa na?
There we go. I made this small little village. Okay. I think I'm missing. There.
Hindi ko pa nga alam kung kailan ba yung 23?
Whee!
Kasi baka mag-ship ako.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go back to the
Ngayon sa akin na namin. Nakayakap pa rin ni mama.
It's so
Assembly daw.
slow, so slow.
Oh.
No way to stand out all the time. No diamond, and you need to hold the power.
Hindi ko kailan eh.
You need to hold the power.
Wait, hindi ko pa nga alam kung sasama.
Why am I lagging?
May ship ako kasi nagsabi si Kuya Fred nga.
Okay. Do not look at it. Do not look at him.
Ako si Joaquin tsaka si Mami.
Do not look at him.
Para sila Mami.
Okay, he's not there.
Okay.
Okay.
Kunin mo pa yung coke doon. Meron pa doon.
Nice.
Ilagay mo na dyan para
I can. Okay. Oh my gosh. Yes. Nice. I killed it. Oh my gosh. Whee!
Hulo!
Ow! I need to build up. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Visit.
Ow! Ow!
Asa, ano? Oo. Yung magkano lang ito, 30.
Yes.
Ito 90 o 7 ko ano. Yung kaya ko yun, 300 bawas nun sa 600.
Bilis na ang kamay.
Balik mo lang ganun.
Gonna die.
Mga parang Facebook.
Sa physical store na,
Ito? O, isabi ko na.
Marikid.
Okay.
Doon talaga, kompleto, promise. Malaki kasi yung
Done. Yes, I got the eyes of Ender. Yes, I got it.
Okay na, alis ka na.
Okay lang.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, jump.
Kasi kung may dalang kami,
2, jump.
lahat sa'yo makikiin mo. Bakit na ba niya ako? Alam mo yung blue na parang container?
Okay.
Patu.
And then, okay. I was almost gonna die. Oh my gosh. I literally almost died, guys. I'm gonna die. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'll see you guys. Bye.